Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Suite App. The pros, the cons. Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Suite App promises to unify sales, marketing, and customer engagement for large organizations, but is it the right fit for your enterprise? On the positive side, Freshworks CRM provides a comprehensive platform for lead management, marketing automation, and analytics. Marketing teams can create campaigns, segment audiences, and track performance in real time. Integration with email, social media, and sales tools streamlined workflows, allowing enterprises to act on data faster and more accurately. Enterprises report improved lead conversion, better campaign visibility, and enhanced collaboration between marketing and sales teams. However, there are limitations. The platform can be complex for new users, requiring training to leverage its full capabilities. Enterprise pricing is higher than basic plans, and some advanced features may need additional customization. Marketing automation is powerful, but still requires human oversight to ensure messaging aligns with brand voice and campaign goals. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRM automation alone guarantees results. The surprising truth is that CRM tools amplify strategy, but without proper planning, creative input, and team coordination, even the best platform may underperform. In conclusion, Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Suite App is a solid choice for enterprises looking to integrate marketing, sales, and customer engagement. Its analytics, automation, and collaboration tools provide significant efficiency and insight, but success depends on strategic implementation, team training, and human oversight. When used thoughtfully, Freshworks CRM can boost campaign performance, streamline operations, and strengthen customer relationships.